Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to lock cells from editing in Google Sheets. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to select the range where you want to lock your cells from editing. The second step is to go down to your sheet that you have open right now and right click it and click on Protect Sheet. Here you have to select the range, and now simply select the range if you haven't already. So I have already selected my range, so as you can see the range is written out right here. Now simply click on Set Permissions and restrict who can edit this range to only you. You can also restrict this to custom if you have multiple users in your sheet and assign every single one of them if you want them to edit it or not. Then simply press Done, and as you can see changes are saved and you can see that this range of cells is protected and only I can edit it. If you want to delete this protection, just click on it and click on this trash icon, delete range or sheet protection, and click on remove. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.